Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. And in today's video we have some amazing news on the design of the Note 10, and of course the news is amazing because it is in fact concrete and it tells us something brand new and definitive about the design of the Note 10. So on the screen I'm going to project a photo. Now this photo is a render by the Twitter user Ben Geskin, and as you can see, if you look at the front of the display, on the top in the center you'll see a dual hole cutout. You'll see a punch hole cutout in the shape of a pill, just like we find on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So far we were not sure if this was going to happen, or were we going to have a single hole cutout like the smaller S10. And of course the good news is the legendary leakster Ice Universe has confirmed that we are in fact going to have a single hole cutout. Take a look at his tweet. He has retweeted Ben Geskin's render, and he's saying the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro both use a single hole front camera, so this rendering is wrong. And of course Ben Geskin has provided us with a brand new render that I'm going to show you in a second, but just take a look at that tweet for a second. He says Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro. So we already had confirmation that we're going to have two Samsung Galaxy Note 10 variants. We're going to have the Note 10 smaller version and a Note 10 Pro, a larger version with 6.7-inch screen that I think most people are going to buy. And both of these phones are going to come in 4G and 5G variants. So all that is confirmed already, but with this tweet, Ice Universe confirms it again. So this is in fact a reality. Two 4G Note 10 smartphones with a single hole front camera. Okay, now if you look at the new render by Ben Geskin, it looks absolutely stunning. So we have that single hole on the top, which I think looks much better than the pill-shaped cutout. And of course, if you look at the back of the device, the back of the render is also based on the leak of the camera component that we saw a couple days ago. But that one we are not 100% sure. So the rear we are not 100% sure. What we do know is going to be vertical, but the front we are 100% sure now it's going to be a single hole in the center on the top. Looks fantastic. Just let me know what you guys think about this down below. I love when leaks are precise and concrete. So now we have a better idea of what to expect from the Note 10. Anyway, drop those comments down below and let me know what you think about this new design element. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay subscribed for updates. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.